there and
Go over
take
there
it
by
up.
Gigi.
Go
Go see what Gigi and Grant have.
is.
There we go.
You pull that paper out?
All right.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
I didn't do the rest, Gigi.
Go play with that hook for a while. What is this?
And a nice job.
It's like a fiddle board.
It is.
Fiddle. A fiddle board.
Who did that?
Grand?
I did with Grant's help.
Yeah.
Good.
Todd Grand did it.
Awesome.
He'll like that.
I was down here and Grant was making.
Busy boy.
Yeah, he'll like it.
Was that during the UC game?
It's so cute.
He likes the fiddle.
Oh, he will love it.
Yep, that's very good. He'll like that a lot.
There's one thing I'm a little concerned about is that hinge down there is really, really sharp. This thing is really sharp.
Oh,
Yeah. Probably that in some electric
I can't see it.
because it's really short.